guys, how are you doing? For today's video, I cook fried noodles, and these are the ingredients. I have cabbage, shredded chicken breast, garlic and onion, and mayroon tayong ham. So let's go guys, magluluto na tayo. Guys, maglalagay tayo ng mantika dito sa atin frying pan. It's not too much guys, only a small amount of oil. And then guys, ilalagay natin yung atin onion and garlic. Sinabay ko na. Yan guys. Mekos natin guys. Until done. Until naging golden brown ang ating garlic. Yan guys. The more na maraming onion or garlic, the more na masarap siya guys. Kasi yun ang bibigay ng aroma sa ating niluluto. So, yan guys. So, after that guys, ilalagay natin itong ating ham. Wala na akong ibang ingredients. I don't have any ingredients there at home. So, basta naisipan ko to cook something like, yeah. So, simple lang ito guys. If you have in your house, in your refrigerator, or in your kitchen. Yan. So, yan. Medyo ipapry muna natin ng konti. Wag naman masunog. And then after that guys, dahil luto na itong lunch ko kasi itong chicken breast, so ilalagay natin guys. Aking version lang ito guys ha. This is my version guys. And after that guys, lalagay natin yung ating vegetable. Kasi itong mga meat na to, naluto na siya guys. Okay, lalagay natin ito. Yan. This is my simple breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 3-in-1 na yan guys. And then after that guys, we put water. So, bali hot water na rin ilalagay ko guys. Yan. Hot water. So, pakuluan lang natin ng konti. Huwag lang natin overcook a vegetable. Yan. So, followed by our pampalasa. So, mayroon tayong dark sauce. We have dark sauce. Para hindi naman mukhang maputla yung ating fried noodles. And then we put a little bit of light sauce. And after that, I put chicken powder, on it. And a little bit of salt. Yes guys, a little bit of salt. Tansyahin na lang ninyo ang inyong mga pampalasa guys. So, yan na yan siya guys. Naparami yata yung water ko guys. Pero anyway, okay lang yan. Yan na siya guys. Yan. Diba? We wait until cabbage na ma-cook na siya guys. So, yan. And after that, guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating, yan, yung noodles. White noodles. Kasi white eh. We put white noodles. Haluin natin, guys. Until masipsip yung sabaw doon sa ating noodles. And, yan na, guys. O, diba? Hindi maputla yung ating noodles kasi yung black sauce. Yung ating nilagay, guys, sa ating black sauce. Depende sa inyo, guys, sa pagluluto. Kung lalagyan ninyo ng dark sauce. Kung gusto naman ninyong inyong noodles, white noodles, ay mamumutla. Okay na rin yan. Unless masarap. Ito, guys, masarap. Kasi feeling ko, pag kumakain ako ng fried noodles, yung mayroon siyang dark sauce, parang, guys, yan na, guys. Nilagyan ko na lahat ng ingredients and yan na siya, guys, ang aking fried noodles, diba? Masarap, simple lang. And how many ingredients lang, makapagluto na tayo. Kung anong mayroon dyan sa ating refrigerator. Thank you for watching. See you for the next one. Bye.